voice of the American veteran. It took an oath to support and defend the Constitution against all enemies. Found confidence after the first promotion and leading for the first time. It was forged and went hoarse giving commands. Cheered after fallout at a welcome home ceremony. Spoke the sacred words to a Gold Star family and fell silent at Tap's graveside. This voice shall not be dismissed or alone. It will join millions like it, empowering veterans to make lasting change. How? Mission Roll Call. Mission Roll Call is a veteran-led initiative that unifies and amplifies the voices of veterans, so your critical issues are heard and acted upon. Mission Roll Call is an advocate for all veterans, making the truth evident that veterans are leaders and civic assets to be sought after. Ultimately, empowering our veterans, bettering our communities, and strengthening our nation. It's time to stand up and be counted. It's time for Mission Roll Call.